It's good to see everyone here. How is everyone doing today? The market is super bullish. Did you guys do something special? Maybe to celebrate it or anything else? Let me know in the comments while I adjust this thing for YouTube. As you guys know, those who watch me daily, they would know I go live at the same time in both places, in YouTube and in TikTok. Okay, this is pretty good for YouTube, I think. And TikTok is super as well. And it's awesome as well. As always. What the hell am I doing? Anyway. Okay, no one has said anything. Everyone is just joining. Me, hi, Manai says good. That is good to hear. And fun times, Ricardo, PD4, Prince. Minahi Manai says sell XRP. XRP did pump pretty well. If you wanted to sell it, pumped close to 59 cents, I think, or 58 point something. I think that was pretty much a good place if you wanted to get out. If you didn't, I think you might want to wait a bit. It might do another rally. I did post a video on XRP. Ru says, good evening, good afternoon from here. One Markan Raha. Wow, that's tough name. Hello, good to see you on live. Hello, everyone. And do you reevaluate BTC prediction? Yes, I did. I did post yesterday's video as well, and I posted that. I actually did tell you guys on the live yesterday as well. Apart from going on video, I did tell you that if BTC wants to break $32,000 and wants to go above, it needs to do it in one big candle. It did it by $1,000 or $1,500. It went up to 33 in one go, which was a very good breaking of $32,000, because breaking of $32,000 by 200, 500, that doesn't work. We have seen that 14, 15 times in multiple weeks back to back. Once it tried that, I think this happened in July. It tried and it failed, but this time it just broke through it, which was a good attempt by going towards 33, and it rallied all the way towards 35,200. So BTC is bullish. I evaluated it. If you want me to tell you about the support and resistance, analyze it, I have made a video, but I can redo it for you. Don't worry. Okay. Should I sell my XRP? Oh, don't ask me, Ru. You can't ask me for financial advice. I'm going to sneeze, I think. I'm sorry. Good day from Cape Town. Of course, Cape Town is an awesome place. That will be a good day, Willie. It's good to have you here. And someone wrote Arabic, TTI Academy. I'm so sorry, I don't speak Arabic. I wish I could. My ex-wife, she could talk in Arabic. I can't. I thought I'll marry her, I'll learn the language. That did not happen, unfortunately. Parker says Fetch. Why not? It's good we are in crypto, otherwise I would have thought something else. Because you just wrote Fetch. And that, if you are in the West, that means go and grab the ball, as if you are a dog. Hello, brother. This is Cover, aka Odunu from Ghana. Awesome. Good to see you here, brother. Ghana, awesome. I would assume the weather is nice there. It's getting cold here. I don't know what is the temperature here. Alexa, what's the temperature in Toronto today?
Right now, in Toronto, Ontario, it's 15 degrees Celsius. Tonight, expect a low of 13 degrees.
It's 15 and 13. Okay, not that disastrous. Okay. Afghanistan is colder. Kabul is colder, where I'm from. You were right about Bond USDT. Thank you so much, TT Academy. I'm really happy to hear that. I'm glad you asked. It did work out for you. Thank you for coming and sharing. That's the whole point of me sitting here and evaluating things as requested, to give you a direction. I missed it all. I forgot my phone, so didn't see that little pump. Oh, it's okay. I mean, as long as you have a plan to leave Ru, you can plan your exit. And I should stop calling you Ru. I think your name is Paul, right? You said that. You mentioned that on YouTube the other day. Let me see. Okay. But so wrong about TRB USD. There you go. One good, one bad. Hello from Netherlands. Hello, Gert van der Linden. Good to see you. Think BTC can hit 38K in the next few weeks? Of course. The expectation for Bitcoin are that it will rally towards $40,000 actually. That is the expected price, but of course, sometimes it slows down before the expectation. So $38,000 is actually that slowing down zone, because I know that people are looking at 50K, which is too much. I wouldn't think that. I would think that it creates this bullishness, it sustains it, it consolidates, moves sideways, it stays above 30K for quite a while and make both October and November green, and then it starts dumping on you. That would look like a better story. Okay, what do you think about Fetch? I have requested Fetch, don't worry, Parker. I asked you about Islam coin yesterday, but you did not answer the question. I will not answer because it's a shitcoin. What can I say about it? It's recently launched. You cannot rely on it. I would say don't buy it. TTI Academy, what is it about Bond USDT? I'm still shorting it now. Okay, you guys are talking to each other. XRP go to 63 cents. Maybe in CAD, not in USD. In USD, I did give it a target of max of 63 cents. It went up to 58 point something, close to 59, but still good enough. Hello Twix, good to see you. Ru says bless you. That's for the sneeze. Will ETH break the 2K mark? It needs to break 1900. If it can break 1900, it can break 2K. Kevin11 says, that sneeze almost sounded like sell it. That is funny. Let me see if YouTubers are saying anything. No, they're just chilling out, sitting there quiet. Cool. Hi Osama, good to see you. He sent one hi. Yeah. Okay. Wakaramat says, so when will this bull run end? It will last 2 months at least, I'm hoping. So it's not a bull run, it's a mini rally. Yeah, I think 2 months. 2 months it sounds good. Where are you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? I was not on live. I was here on live. You guys didn't watch my yesterday's video. That's your issue. It's posted on YouTube on top of it. Encourage more viewers to share. Okay, Topico has shared my life. Thank you for sharing. I appreciate all the love reactions and shares. You guys are putting in some energy. What are your thoughts? BTC price target for the 2025 bull run? I don't see a bull run in 2025, so my targets would be very low. I'm expecting financial crisis in 2025. I think we will know better once we enter 2024. We see how the elections go, because it's elections in US and the copycat Canada, they have it as well, same. We copy them. I have started saying we, oh my God. Yeah, and okay, Love Latin says, I'm from Morocco, good to see you. Moroccan people are known to be very beautiful. You looking sad. Why would I look sad? I'm looking hungry. I have bananas in front of me. I just need to eat them. Okay, Fetch is here. I'll do the Fetch and then I'll do the bananas for you. Okay, so Fetch, it broke above its previous resistance. Okay, it has turned into support. And that is 23.6. And its new resistance, which is mini resistance, is at 29.2. So if the rally continues, and I am not following Fetch, I wouldn't know what is the maximum potential for Fetch. Like for every coin, I have a maximum potential in my mind. Like for BTC, I'm thinking of $40,000. For Ethereum, I'm thinking of $1,900. For XRP, I'm thinking of 63 cents. I'm thinking of $31, $32 for Solana. I'm thinking of Cardano. What is the case with Cardano? Yeah, 33 cents. I have a maximum case scenario for this rally. Like they need to go there, and then I have to reevaluate and see whether they can push further or not. Fetch, I don't know. But if you think it can pump further, then yes, why not? But right now, Fetch has pretty much broken its previous high, which is a good indication, which means that Fetch wants to go higher. As long as Fetch holds 0.236, okay, you can expect Fetch to continue with the rally even if it corrects. So Fetch is all bullish as much as you want. Okay, let me see what is going on. When will we get BSC shitcoin call? BSC shitcoin calls, you will get it once the BSC starts performing. There's so many weak hands in BSC that generally whenever someone launches a crypto in BSC, it dies. Everyone who wants to make their project successful, they launch it on ERC, and no one wants their project to fail. That's why they're launching it on Ethereum. Of course, they fail on Ethereum as well, but BSC has scared everyone like hell. Big T says, hello, which broker you recommend for Forex? I'm so sorry, I am not a guy of Forex, so I wouldn't know. Back in the days, I used to use some brokers, but that is not relevant anymore. Why at gas fee pumped to $40? Because a lot of people are trading Ethereum. When the volume is high, the gas fee goes higher. That's how it works. Okay, Morocco, yes, I said fake news. Why? This is the thing that I was telling you about BlackRock and about institutions. When you have monsters at play, they will always create fake news. They can ask someone to post fake news. They can pay someone to post fake news, and they can list and do fake listings as well. This is the reason that I always cry about institutions being in game and me losing my overall interest in crypto on spot and the holding game. This whole holding game, it died for me when I saw that now officially BlackRock is in. And it's not just BlackRock, there's so many out there. It's not just one villain. You are dealing with so many other monsters as well, right? When I saw institutions coming in, I thought to myself, I'm going to use my stop losses. I'm going to trade it. I'm not going to hold. I'm not going to hold. And even if I decide to marry a coin, it will not be more than 20% of my overall bag. I will not be 100% stuck with anything. So that's the reason for fake news. Now I want to short BTC for fun. Now he says, your good prediction on XRP. Thank you. I'm glad to hear that. Sir, I lost BTC in BTC 6500 USDT. I'm so sorry to hear that. I assume you were shorting a rally. And if I am reading it correct, your name is Malik. How are you? I'm good. I'm good. Thank you for asking. Parker says, what do you mean request? What are you using? Oh, it's my team. It's not some secret service hidden somewhere. You will ask me for the app and I'll give you the app and that will solve your problems. Investing world doesn't work like that. And if someone is selling you something like that, that is not going to go or end up well for you. What is the first factor that makes a coin gain value? The first factor is always the team. It doesn't matter what is their market cap, what is their price, what is their utility, what the hell they are up to. They can have nothing behind it. They can have absolute total crap on the table. But if I love the team, I'll invest. My bets, because I have been an investor for a big period of time, uh, outside crypto as well. I have been a venture capitalist. I have invested in so many projects, in so many businesses. My bets are always on the person. You want to invest in people who will not give up on their own dream. You don't want to invest in people who will give up. It has happened to me, and I have learned it from experience that a good utility, a good idea, a good concept, a good project, a good partnership, nothing will work if the team doesn't work. So if you're looking for one factor, that first factor that you said that makes a coin gain value, for me, that is team. And that is something that is missing now from Gala, because Gala is a shit show. I missed the shot when you said to book profits on the long. Damn. Oh, it's okay. I mean, it happens. Don't worry, you'll get another chance. Where is your cute cat? I'm sure it's like every day one of them would be sleeping here. Okay, so today he's sleeping in that, what is that thing? You would know. You would see it. This is my cat. This right next to the tire, this yellow thing, orange. This is my cat. This is the tire wheel. YouTubers can actually see it in full, but you cannot. And the other cat, he is sleeping in, where is he? He's sleeping in my bed, yeah, next to my pillow. That's what he loves. That is his favorite spot. Okay, where was I? Thank you, Yadi, for the rose. What do you think will be the top performer of this rally? It can be anyone. It can be anyone, and it doesn't matter, to be very honest with you. Like, we are longing and shorting. We take positions just like that. Like yesterday, I shared a long, and so I shared a long for, what was it? I'm looking through my Telegram. Just give me a second, okay? Some people bother sharing, some people don't, some share. So I shared a long on CHZ. So he took a long, and I don't know in how much time. What is it? 5:56 a.m. Let me check. Okay, when did I post? Because I shared it and then I went to sleep. So I shared this at 2:22 a.m. So I shared it at 2:30 a.m., let's say. And he was at 5:56. So 6 a.m. That's 2:30. So 2 to 4. That's 3.5. 3.5 hours later, he was in 104% profit. So who is a gainer, who is not, that is overall game of holding. When you're holding, you're praying that you are holding something that will do the maximum gains. I trade, we trade, those who are in the community, we trade just because of the fact that this whole holding, it can always backfire. We use stop losses just because of the fact we don't want to be stuck. Those who tell you that stop loss is your enemy, they have no idea what they're dealing with. It's better to lose money to stop loss than to hold and being stuck and being in a marriage that you're not happy with. I can assure you 100%. There's so many holders of so many cryptos, not just XRP. There's so many out there. Shiba Inu is there. I mean, it's more poisonous than XRP. XRP at least has a utility, it has a promise, it just has a legal case. That is why it's stuck, it's not able to perform. But when you look at Shiba Inu, it's more worst case scenario. It's worst case scenario. It's a meme coin. People are holding it for the pumps. And every every now and then, like once in a year or once in 2 years, it pumps, and then people think that the magic has happened, and then it dumps like hell for the whole year. I call that, it's not me, we call it Burj Khalifa pattern. It goes like this and it dumps like this. That's the whole crap about Doge, Shiba, Floki, Kishu, all those meme coins out there. So when it comes to top performer, I am least bothered. There can be a meme coin. Pepe can do that. Pepe can go to the list of the top performer. Who gives a crap about it? I mean, we can always outperform. If I want to outperform altcoins, I'll do shitcoins. I can always do it on spot without any leverage. I can do 6,000% in 3 days that any altcoin cannot do. So there's always a way to escape the institutions to do things the way you want to do. If you are dealing with things, I'm not saying I do altcoins, because with big money you can do easily altcoins. That's one of the reasons Warren Buffett doesn't do crypto, because crypto is very small for him. Crypto market is only $1 trillion. People like Warren Buffett don't want to be a part of a $1 trillion market, because they are part of a $50 trillion market or $55 trillion market. So this is 50 times smaller for him. Why would he join? And what are his options? His option is to become Bitcoin maximalist and continue to say good things about Bitcoin, like Michael Saylor is doing, like declaring as Bitcoin is something sent from heaven and making it the most magical thing. That is not true. Look, I like Bitcoin, I like every other crypto, but that doesn't mean that you pray and marry something. I was a holder of Ethereum for a very long time. I have never seen myself going out and pitching Ethereum. I know it is a very slow ass mover. So it's like Cardano. And Pepe is going crazy. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Just what I was talking about. Maximum case for Polygon. I don't know, but I can evaluate it for you. Oh, I'm posting in the wrong place. Polygon. Poly can be a name of a woman. Gone. So Poly is gone. A very bad joke. I need to eat. You will hear some rattling. No, this is not rattling. So when a plastic bag is making sounds, what do you guys call it? Yeesh. It has a cover on top of it. What the hell is this? Seriously. Now is a ASMR session. Sorry guys, I don't get to eat. It's all, the eating time and the live time is at the same time, so I have to eat or I will stay hungry. I have another meeting after this. What day is today? It's Tuesday. Yeah, tomorrow is going to be worse. If I don't eat in the live, I will not eat till 5. And that is the morning food I'm talking about. It's not even lunch. Okay, from outside it looks really big, but when you bring it out, it looks very small. Oh, in video it looks big. Nice. That's why. Oh, I thought of something. Okay, I cannot talk about it. I used to wonder why it looks so big. Everything looks bigger on camera. When it's closer to camera, I think. Yeah, so it's a game of distance. Nice. Okay. Bonjour, hello, ça va? How are you? I assume you're saying Shah. I'm good, Malik. Louis says, what do you think on Pepe? Can it burn 2 more zeros? It can burn 5 more zeros. I mean, shitcoins can do whatever they want to do. Not shitcoin, sorry, meme coin. I really wonder if this thing is for eating and not cooking. Organic. Visit my farm. Colombia. They're bringing this from Colombia. It looks yellow. Okay, on video it looks very green. Maybe I should have grabbed the other ones. Anyway, it is what it is. Okay, so Polygon has pumped really hard. Its support is at 0.577. And what we expect from Polygon is that it will first try to go back towards its support, and then it will try to go back towards its resistance, which is a mini resistance. It's at 0.67. Right now it is sitting closer to its resistance. It's not very close, it's far, but this is how we expect it to turn out. So this is where it is sitting, and we expect it to drop down before it starts railing up. We expect it to correct a bit before it pumps. So that is Polygon for you, known as MATIC. This is awful. What's your Telegram? Send me a DM, I'll give it to you, or you can go to my profile and click on it, and you will see Polygon there. Michael says support and resistance on MATIC. Okay, fortunately I did it. I can read it again for you if you missed it, even though it's getting recorded. So the support is at 57. Where the hell did it go? 57.7, and the resistance is at 0.67. 67. Hello brother, what do you think about VRA and Gala? I can do one for you. Can do Gala. Gala, the stuck coin, which has a case going on. I think your cats are lazy. They wasted your money on the wheel. No. One of the cat, he runs on the wheel. Out of frustration, he starts running really fast. But the other one, he doesn't know how to use it. Okay, let's see. BTC Shah. So Marizu says BTC. The support is okay. There's a support. There's an indication. Okay. He's here. Bacho. Oh, bacho. Oh, bacho. This is the one that broke his ribs. You can see the hole in his body. Okay. So the support for BTC is at 29,500. The indication is $32,000. Technically, it should stay above $32,000. It should not go below $32,000. But if it does, that would be first indication that BTC is losing its power. And if it breaks below 29,500, that would mean that this rally is over. And we are again going back towards our story of $22,000. I'm on Telegram now, bro. Good to see you there. Luki, Om City. Test Me says, do you think XRP will go back to $1? Yes, one day. Why not? One day anything can go there, but not now. Now, our target is 63 cents. Once it achieves it, then we will talk about something else. Okay, someone has requested QNT, bull run price target. I'm so sorry. QNT. Let me check QNT just a second. Let me eat this awful banana. It tastes horrible. It's like I'm getting punished for eating it. Anyway, QNT. Oh, it's Quant. Okay. Okay, it's sitting at 98, all-time highs, $400, and you are asking for bull run price target. If Quant is as good as Ethereum, in a sense that there is no problem with it, with what they are doing, and it's only victim of the bear market. Team is doing well, they're performing really well, their utility is still as good as it was. Overall, customers are happy, they are in generating income, they're making money, there is a source of income that they have, and you know how much money they are making, then pretty much you can expect it to go back to not 400 maybe, but I mean it can go even to 400, but you can pretty much expect it to go back to 325. You can expect it to go there, but it needs to be fundamentally okay for Quant to do that. Arthur says, very well, thank you, Shah. No problem at all. Mr. M. Ray says, what is the best app to track your altcoins so I can see the gains and losses? Use CMC, Coin Market Cap. There's so many other coins as well. I think one was called Coin Tracker. I don't have RS here on live, I think. I gave him 3-4 names. I just don't have it right now with me. Okay. Rick Rock says, BTC about to go up or down? It is already up and up. How much more up you want BTC to go? It needs to correct. It will try to correct, but as long as it holds its support, you should expect BTC to continue with this rally. We are looking at $40,000 as a target. So let's see. What do you think about ALGO? I can do an algo for you, but we already have a Gala. Okay, we longed it yesterday. Okay, we longed it. We must have shared it in Telegram. So Gala, its support is at 0. Just a second, 0.013. Yeah, 0.013, and its resistance is at 0.015. So you can pretty much expect Gala to react to its resistance and come down. But if the market goes really bullish, even if something is really bad like GMT, awful project because it's suffering from inflation. Otherwise, it shouldn't have pumped. But as people don't understand what the project is doing, they just look at the graphs, they look at the coin name, and they buy and sell just on the basis of that. Just because of that, any coin can pump. So Gala can break above this resistance as well. But for the sake of support and resistance, its support is at 0.013. As long as this support holds, you can expect Gala to continue with the pump. Algorand, ALGO. Okay, I can do an ALGO for you. ALGO. Okay. Let's see if there's nothing on YouTube. Okay, no questions. Let's look at TikTok. Hey Shah, can you talk a little about DeFi? Maybe liquidity providing. DeFi is overall space. Basically, they call shitcoin space, they call it DeFi. A sexier name than the name shitcoin, of course. But or you're talking about some particular project that is called DeFi? Michael says support and resistance on MATIC. I already gave it to you. I'll give it to you one more time. It's at 0.577 and the resistance is at 0.66. This is MATIC, yeah. ALGO is done. I mean, it's requested. What do you think about HBAR? What do you mean by think as a project? Like the tokenization of it, or you're talking about the TA? Sigi says, hi, how are you? Did you contacted me on the chat a few weeks ago offering me a trading strategy? No, I don't. I never contact people. I never send DMs. I never follow people. I never do any of that. I never follow anyone anywhere. Not on Facebook, not on Telegram. I don't even have this username on Telegram to begin with. I don't follow people. I don't send DMs. If someone is sending you a message first, it's not me. It's 100% scammer. I have a very strict strategy of not sending a DM. What do you think about changing all XRP to BTC? Because halving is coming. That is a risky move, and changing ships is not going to change things. It really depends. Like every time something pumps, it looks better. Generally, what happens with people is that, for example, let me use Solana as an example. So what would happen is that people will see Solana pumping, then they would be frustrated with whatever they're holding. So let's say they were holding Ethereum, and Ethereum was stuck below 1650 while Solana had pumped already by 10%. It started its pumping from $20 and it went all the way towards 25, which was a lot of pump. And the person who is holding Ethereum is frustrated and angry as his project is not moving, his coin is not moving, but Solana is moving. So as it moves towards $28, $29, he jumps, he sells Ethereum and he moves to Solana. As he moves to Solana, Solana is almost at the peak. Solana stops moving, and then Ethereum that he left, that thing starts moving. Everything has its turn. You cannot just jump ships thinking that it's going to benefit you. If something is looking really bullish, maybe it has already pumped a lot, and Bitcoin will not give you that amount of profit that an altcoin can give you, like XRP, just because of the fact that moving Bitcoin takes a lot of energy. Of course, Bitcoin can maximum is that it will double. It depends where it is from where it will double. If you talk about this whole year, it has already doubled. So if you look at the beginning of the year up till now, or 12 months, Bitcoin is up by 100%. So it has already doubled. It has done what it was supposed to do. But if you look at other projects, they have done better. Again, let me use example of Solana. So Solana was at $8 or $9. Let's say it was at $8. Yeah, so Solana is up by 400%. So if it was at 8, it went to 32, that is 400%. But when you look at Bitcoin, that is only 100%. So altcoins can always outperform Bitcoin, and I'm talking about serious altcoins because Solana is multi-billion-dollar project. I'm not talking about even shorter market cap. I'm talking about one giant against another giant. How can we learn crypto trading? By practicing, going to YouTube and watching videos, or maybe praying that I will finish my course soon and give it to you. What do you think about ALGO? Did I do Algorand? No, I was requested. Okay, here it is. So Algorand has a support at 0.092. As long as the support holds, you can expect it to continue its rally towards 0.10. I think I have already covered this in another day's session as well. Someone requested it. I just don't remember when. But anyway, you can expect Algorand to continue with the rally as long as the support holds, because the market is bullish. Algorand is considered to be a respected project. I have not seen any problems with it yet. I have not seen any news about the team. I have not seen any news about the utility, someone bashing them. So overall, it looks like that Algorand is going well. It's doing what it's supposed to do, like Ethereum. You don't see much of news on them. So if that's the case scenario, you should expect it to continue with a rally as long as the support is holding. Okay, what is this? Meme says, what do you think about ALGO? Okay, ALGO is done. Yadi says, are you going to do other videos on Chainlink? Yeah, I will do one once Chainlink achieves what I have given Chainlink. I gave Chainlink a target of $12. Once I see that it achieves the target of $12, I can come and make one more video, because my second target for Chainlink is $18. We need to see. I said if it breaks $9.5, it should rally towards 12. It did rally a bit, quite a bit, but it didn't break 12. Once it breaks $12, then I can reevaluate Chainlink and I can tell you whether it will go towards 18 or not. What do you think about Dodge Rush? Never heard of their name. Might have heard, but I would assume it's a shitcoin. Okay, can you do Aave? Yes, why not? Aave. What's your favorite crypto? What crypto will make you the most money in the next couple of months? I don't have favorites, to be very honest with you. And I make money pretty much on daily basis or weekly basis. It depends what I'm buying. Sometimes I buy, there are 2-3 good shitcoins in the market. I buy them and they give me good amount of return, a few $1,000s. Sometimes I take a trade with a position that goes well as well. It really depends what day it is. But I would say weekly, yes, it is. This is profitable weekly. So I take what is in front of me instead of waiting for something. I would like to invest and hold. That is the laziest way of doing anything. I would do that once I see a project that I fall in love with, and I would say, this is where I want to invest 20% of my whole bag, which will be massive. So first, that project should have the ability to consume that kind of money. So for example, if the project is only $10 million and I invest 1 million in it, I will be owning 10% of that project. I don't want to invest in something like that, right? So you need to find a decent project where you can put 20% of your bag and it will not move a lot. It will not go crazy. So, but those are the projects that can do very well. The projects that generally do very well are the projects that are under 100 million. Because under $100 million market cap are the riskiest ones, and they are the ones that outperform everything. Thank you, Bhaktin, and good to see you. So what I'm expecting is to see something that I would really love, and then I'll go and buy it. Or maybe I'll go back to see what I really liked in 2021 and then maybe buy it from there. Okay. Wafi says, Salam alaikum salam. Please explain invest in BTC and BTC mining. Like Riot, I would stay away from mining. Whatever mining it is, stay away from it. It's really, really tough to make money with it. It's complicated on top of it, and you're going to risk a lot. Oh, it's my cat. If I go, yeah, I should not just get up. Oh, it's not my cat, sorry. It's his toy. Anyway, you will continue to hear sounds now. Okay, yeah, stay away from BTC mining. That's what I would tell you. Okay, Aave is here. Let's do Aave. So Aave support is at 69.7. As long as the support holds, you can expect it to continue with the rally towards $92, which it did successfully up to 91, I would say. So you can expect it to continue with this, and it can actually break above this easily because this is higher than its previous highs that it has seen. So Aave has kind of broken out of the zone. Like BTC had $32,000 as a peak. It was not able to break out of it. Aave is the same case scenario. It broke above it. So right now what you should expect is that you can actually look at a lower, a closer support. Instead of 69.7, you can look at 79.1. 79.1 could be a good indicator for you that this thing is going to go towards 69 if 79 breaks. So it's sitting at 83. $79 is your first support. You should look at it. As long as 79 holds, it will continue to rally towards 92 and it will break that as well. So it is bullish, but of course everything is correcting, so will Aave. This is so annoying. It's going to continue for 10 minutes. I'm stuck like Shakespeare says, to do or not to do. No, he says to be or not to be. I forgot the expression. What the hell? Do you ever day trade? Oh, I day trade, I scalp, I do all forms. It depends what kind of time I have at my hands. If I have good amount of time and I don't have anything else going on, I might scalp a lot. I would like to take multiple trades because I'm getting bored. I'll be doing it. If I make some good returns while I'm doing it, I catch some good stuff, I might leave it and then maybe watch TV. I would leave. What do you use for scalping? What can I use? You mean tools? Platform? I'm using TradingView. Okay, let's go down. How about XLM? Why it's stuck? XLM might be a case scenario of XRP. Overhyped, oversold, overbought. I mean, something that, it's really common with Hive projects when they don't do very well. But I'll see what is going on with the XLM. Any indicators, price action, or yeah, it's always price action. Indicators you can rely on RSI. I don't like to use a lot of indicators. I usually use one or two, and I pretty much look at the volume. I try to find the pockets where you see a lot of buying and selling, and then I trade accordingly. What is a good coin to buy? All of them. All of them are good to buy. Damn, I don't hope it doesn't drop. I don't know which one you're talking about. How to join your VIP Telegram? Join the main Telegram and say you want to join premium. The bot will automatically respond to you and tell you what to do. I bet it's got no taste at all. Yeah, it has taste. It numbs your tongue. The banana, this was awful. I am extremely sure. Either it's not riped, RIPED, or this thing is for cooking. It's like those Indian bananas that they put in oil and they cook it. I don't know. Yeah, I have another pair of bananas as well. We'll see. Are all your targets based on Fibonacci? Sometimes I would just look at the waves based on Elliott waves. I will try to combine the volume with Elliott waves, even though it doesn't make sense to combine two strategies. But sometimes I do it just to see where one wave is and whether it will go above it or not. Like for me, 30,200 was the ending of the wave, and a lot of gurus on Elliott waves who have 5-7 years of experience, they believe the same, but Bitcoin of course flew through it as well. It didn't create any other wave. It actually continued. It did a bit of correction and then it started flying, which means that then what Elliott wave guru will tell you is that the previous wave didn't finish, so it is trying to finish. There's always a nice story to attach and fix what you have done. Unfortunately, in my case scenario, where I give you a support and resistance, I cannot change what I'm saying. It either breaks or it doesn't break, and I don't give you a range. So, and ranging doesn't help. If you are wrong, the range will not save you. Okay, on YouTube they say how to buy shitcoins, and you still give shitcoins tokens before they go up. Of course, that is what I do. How to buy shitcoins? You buy them on Uniswap or PancakeSwap. If you don't know how to do it, I have an academy. It's called Shitcoins Academy. Thank you, lonely boy. So you go to Google, you write Shitcoins Academy, you will see my curriculum on it, and you can buy and learn. There's a 25 minutes video. You can watch that before buying. I would highly recommend to watch that first. Are all your targets okay? This is done. Bro, please give us some idea about micro crypto. Okay, I assume you're talking about shitcoins when you say micro. Go to my academy or go to my Telegram. That's what I would say. Okay, brother, how are you? I'm good. Sutsi Cafe. Hope your cat is better. Yes, he is. Thank you for asking. Veda says you are wrong all the time. Okay, most probably. I mean, now I'm going to show my previous videos in every next video, so people like Veda could calm down. That's what I did in today's XRP video. I showed the previous video. Okay. 0.1. Okay, I'm doing XLM, if you are wondering what the hell I'm looking at. Okay, so XLM had a double bottom, it pumped, and now it is stuck. And if you look, okay, XLM is not stuck. I would say that It is actually bullish right now. The indication of bullishness is there in XLM. It has actually broken out of its trend line as well. Yeah, it has closed above it, which is really nice. So for XLM, what you can do is that you can, as long as XLM holds above 0.1111112, okay, you should expect XLM to continue with the rally. Okay, I will not give you a resistance, but its first target is at 0.12120. XLM can actually continue with its rally towards that. It's sitting at 11 cents right now, 0.114. You should expect it to continue with it as long as it holds above this support. It can continue with the rally because right now, as I look at it, it has broken its trend line. Breaking of a trend line is not an easy thing to do. A lot of cryptos struggle with it. XLM has done it. I mean, some others do it as well, but in case of XLM, we clearly see it that it has happened. So considering that fact, you should expect XLM to continue with the rally. I don't see it being stuck. I thought it might be, but it is not. Thank you for using the term dancing around for XRP video. Yeah, I saw your comment as well, I think. Osama says, Shai's King, thank you so much for your kind words, brother. Okay, Wakar Ahmed says, can you please tell me how to strong my English, as I have a lot of problem due to English and fail number of interviews. If you have any idea, then kindly share with me. I really need help. Okay, I think I'm the right person to talk about it because I didn't go to English medium school, so we were extremely poor. We were paying for a school that was $1 a month. That was a fee. That's something we could afford because my father was a street guard. In Pakistan, they call him chowkidar. And at that time, I studied in Urdu medium, where they don't teach you English till 5th grade. And after that, they teach you English, but it's only in the books. They don't talk in English with you. So it's pretty much disastrous. Once I reached college, which is high school in America or in Canada, that was the time I decided to do something about it, because I used to think that vice versa means opposite. So, like, if I have to say something, I will be say it's vice versa of this. I had no idea what vice versa is, and my friend thought that vice versa is someone's name. So we were in a very bad place. What I did is that I started listening to songs. I tried movies, a very funny incident. I don't have time. Yeah, please remind me someone next day to share that incident with you when I tried movies. So I couldn't do movies. Movies were not for me. I started listening to songs. So I started with easier songs. I started with Michael Jackson. I couldn't understand him. I had to leave Michael Jackson alone. And then I started listening to Britney Spears, Jennifer Lopez, and there was one more, Shakira. Yeah, I learned all of these songs, and then I started listening to Backstreet Boys as well. I learned all of their songs, and what happened is that, of course, I didn't understand grammar, which I still don't do. Like even today, when I was recording a video, I made a mistake of saying didn't went. When you use did, you can't say went. It is always a go. But I mean, I'm not good with grammar to begin with. So what happened is that I started learning sentences. So my vocabulary grew with massive amount of sentences. So now when I look at something that is wrong in English, I can clearly tell you that this is not the correct way of saying or writing. I can tell you that it should be like this. But if you ask me why, I have no answer for it, because I have data as what is the correct way of doing it. I don't have grammar to support what I'm saying. So if you want to learn English, I think listen to songs. One is that you will be able to understand so many accents. I worked in United Nations and I never had a problem with someone from north of Italy and south of Italy. They have a very different way of talking in English. Same as with the people from Scotland. When they talk in English, it's very different. British people, they are very hard to understand when they're talking. I was able to understand them. That was not an issue. So I was able to understand Africans, everyone that I interacted with, I was able to understand just because of the fact I had listened to so many songs. After pop, I grew myself. Then I went back to Michael Jackson. I couldn't understand him again. Then I started listening to rap. I started rapping. I learned a lot of raps. Eminem was on my peak list. I started listening to Chameleonaire, Eminem, and so many others. I started doing rap. It was first year of my university. After that, I went back to Michael Jackson. Then I was able to understand what he was saying. This was the era when we used to use CDs because I wanted to watch the videos with subtitles. So listening improves, your vocabulary improves, your grammar improves, everything improves except for writing. So you have all these 4 areas in a language. 3 of them will improve if you start listening to songs, and you will do very well in the interviews as well. It will improve your speaking as well because you will understand how to say it. Okay, you will not have an accent. You will not something that a lot of Pakistanis and Indians are blamed for. But what are you doing? You will not be doing that. This is something that if you listen to songs, you will understand how they are saying it, and then you will try to copy, and that will give you your own way of saying it. Of course, you will not be faking an accent, as I see Afghans in Canada. They try to talk like white people, but they are not white people. You will have your own way, your own accent, and maybe you would be able to talk in English without accent. Like I try my best not to have an accent, not to look American, not to look British or Canadian or anything, even though people can attach me to some country, because people will attach you to anything. But personally, I think I don't have an accent. I try my best for that. So go for songs. After rap, you have to enter the zone of rock. I started with him, which is from Finland, Rasmus from Finland, and then Placebo from UK, Linkin Park from America, 30 Seconds to Mars from America. I listened to a lot of rock music, and then I fell in love with it, and I found out that I was born to hear metal. I fall in love with metal. I started wearing chains, metallic belts, and rest was history. But music will change everything for you in English. I mean, all the problems that are related to English. Okay, so much stuff that is not crypto. Back to 35K. Okay, let's go through it fast. I'm already out of time. Running out of time. Do you expect a drop after this pump? A little bit of correction, not a drop. Yeah, few $1,000s. As long as BTC holds $32,000, it's good. Its support is at 29,500. I assume you're talking about BTC. Ethereum bull run price. This mini run 1900, bull run 3000. XLM is done. Okay. Support and resistance for XRP. Support is at 52 cents. Resistance is at 63. You should expect it to continue with the rally. Difference between investing in BTC and... oh, I have covered this. My God. Pepe, I have covered this. Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. No problem, Wakar Ahmad. Theta I cannot do, so sorry. I'm just going to look through fundamental questions if I could answer. Thank you, Lonely Boy. I think this is your second cap that you're giving me. I appreciate that. How to find a good low cap project? Attend my academy. I should just start selling my stuff then. Shitcoins Academy. Search that. You will find low caps before they're launched, or even if they're newly launched. Do you share what you buy and when you buy? Of course, I do that, Parker. That is exactly what I do. How do we learn crypto? YouTube. Hey Shah, hi Zan. It was Zan, right? Zion. Thanks, bro. What do you think about... okay. Chainlink, I have done. Thoughts on ADA? ADA support is at 26 cents. It is rallying towards 33 cents. I have covered this already in the video. If you have not watched the video, it's okay. I will post again today. You should expect ADA to continue with the rally. The toilet is having its own dump. How do we learn crypto and its fundamentals? Fundamentals, I'm going to create a lot of courses on it, on basic to advanced. I firmly believe in fundamentals. Technical, I will create maybe 2 courses, basic and intermediate. And first I will start launching the fundamentals, something that is extremely important for people. So people could start learning and they are not so scared. Even though I know those who are waiting for the TA courses, they will hate me for it, but I have to address the general population problem, which is the fear of thinking that you cannot understand crypto. That is not the case. Thank you so much, Lonely Boy. That is too much. You don't need to do it. That is the 3rd time. Where do you get your information for trading? You analyze it on TradingView. Can I make $10,000 from Texan? My investment is $300. You should ask an Texan Club. First, I should ask you actually, were you able to claim? Okay, how to join the VIP? Ask in the Telegram that you want to join premium. It will guide you. The bot will guide you. I have a bot called Rose. Do you backtest your strategies? Sometimes. I don't backtest. I mean, I'm doing it for so long that now I don't backtest anymore. I did some backtesting in 2020 when I was launching my AI. Not for anyone, for myself. I mean, if something is good, why will you give it to others, right? So it was for myself. I backtested 10 years of data. I have tested so many things, like I have tested the investing on the basis of news. We worked on the algorithm. I worked together with my nephew. He's in US. He works on AI extensively. So what we did is that we predicted that if a bomb goes off or something happens that looks like a terrorist attack, we could, based on the news, we could evaluate which terrorist organization it was, just because of the nature of the event. We had used some things in it, and that's what he presented in his college, I think, yeah. And the second model of the finance he presented and he won. So that I have backtested multiple years of data for different purposes. What indicator you use for buyer seller? Okay, I've covered this. BTC BSC, is Bitcoin Cash worth investing? BTC Cash is something that a lot of Westerns invest in. Like people from America, I have seen them heavily invested in BTC Cash, and there's one more that is related to Ethereum. What is the name of it? Ethereum something. Classic? Yeah, they invest in that a lot. The reason that is an indicator, because American people, they have a lot of money. So if rich people are investing, it means that thing can move. That is why Doge moves. Otherwise, Doge is crap. Okay, give us a prediction for XRP bull market. If it doesn't win the case, you cannot expect it to go above $2. Doesn't matter even if BTC goes to $100,000. Okay. Salam Rafiq, how are you? I'm good, thank you. XLM just broke the trend line, looking kind of bullish. Yes, exactly. Okay, I think we are done. We are done. Thank you so much everyone for joining. It was fantastic having you. I went above by 4 minutes. I always come at 1 p.m. Toronto time, 1 to 2, and then we get done. Thank you, Ru. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye. Let me end both sessions.